Okay guys, today we got our Super Mario Brothers Wonder trading cards. New game just out today. Let's see what we got. I see Mario. I think this is going for about $42.37. Luigi, another fan favorite. Bull Rush. Oh, this is a new one. I'm not really sure what this is going for these days. Hoppo, check that out. Nice card. Nabbit, another good one. Whoa, look at this. Special made, all shiny, Wonder Bowser Jr. This has to be going for at least 100. Set that off. I might keep that for myself. Trotting Piranha Plants, okay. Toadette, another winner. Talking Flower. And Poplin. Not a bad set, guys. Not a bad set.